Hello and welcome to Great My Tutorials. My favorite tutor, Odiso. And in this episode, as I promised you, we're going to be dealing with interactive programming. Since I've introduced you guys to a little bit of a concept about data types and also your variables. So in order for you to declare your variables, it's just standard. Started with a small letter. And there's also constant variables that you can name them using capital letters. But let us deal with this basic ones. And then now, in this case, I'm gonna have to have a string which is a name. So for the declaration, you can have multiple declaration. If you are having a surname, also. So what you can do is that you can then say C out. You can say please enter name and surname respectively. All right, so then we want it to appear here. Okay, but let it appear in the new line. So this is how you go to a new line. You can either say end line, or you can say /n for a new line. That will also still be able to do the trick. So C++ allows multiple entry in one line. So in order for you to input, you use the cin object. So what is the cin object used for? The cin object can be used to read data that is typed into the computer through the keyboard. So, but the arrows for C out, they're like this. For C in, they face forward. That is the difference. Then now I can say I want to first get my name and I also want to get my surname. So C++ does allow this. It allows one line entry where you can get both your name and your surname. Then you can display whatever that you have entered. You can say my name. Because say my name is, not my main. My name is, and you can just your name there, and you can go to the end line, go to a new line, and you can say my surname is, then you can have your surname, end line. So now let's come here, execute. And then as we are executing this, we're gonna compile first, check if we have any errors. So executed with 0 errors. Then we're gonna run this code. And then say, please enter your name and surname respectively. So we're gonna say Khodiso. And then you see now it's still gonna ask for input since it's flickering. And then I'm gonna say is Mashile. And then we have it. It's gonna say that my name is Khodiso and my surname is Mashile. So that is how you get input from the user through the keyboard. You use the cin object, so which is this one. That is where you introduce the cin object, and then we get to output that. And that is it for this episode. And we're going to continue with the other concepts in the coming episode. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.